to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly. Hands that guide and hearts.
So this is day one of how the hair looks. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. And this is the hair with the same gel, the same purple gel. Artwork Fly. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly. So I promised you guys I was going to show you the outfit of the week. So today is day one of week 3. So this is the outfit, guys. So I mentioned it was long enough. This is day one of how the hair looks. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated for the week. Day one down. Bye guys. Alright guys, so this is the dress that I wore on Tuesday. I forgot to record it, and here it is. Alright, TEMU, it's below the knee. Alright, so this is how I like it. This one here is my favorite dress. Not too short, not too long, and it covers everything. As you can see, I keep my hair wrapped up for the week. I did not pull it out or anything like that. So my hair keeps on growing. Not a lot of hand movement in my hair, etc. Now this dress, it's a little bit too short, but I like the coverage and I like the shoulders. Alright guys, so here is the hair. I'm going to show you the edge control that I use. It's still looking great for today. I thought by now it would have been more messed up. Okay guys, today is Friday and this is the hair with the same gel, the same purple gel wrapped up. Alright guys, so that is the hair for the week. Now I'm going to show you my outfit. I did not get to show you the hair on Tuesday, but I got every other day. But I'm going to put it on today, Friday, and show you what I got from TEMU. Okay guys, so let me show you the dress today. And this is the last day for this dress because you be the judge. Place was so cold this morning, so I decided to wear the jacket over it. But yeah, last day for this dress, or I'm gonna wear it to church or give it away. But yes, it's too short and it's riding up. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.